Hi everyone! You are on the SaaS Reviews channel. My name is Ian, and today we will talk about Happy Scribe transcription software. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Happy Scribe is a transcription software that promises to make transcribing audio and video recordings easier and faster. In this review article, we will explore Happy Scribe's features, performance, and user experience to help you decide if it's the right transcription software for you. Happy Scribe offers a range of features that make the transcription process more efficient and accurate. Some of these features include automated transcription. Happy Scribe uses advanced speech recognition technology to transcribe audio and video recordings automatically. The software can transcribe multiple speakers and can even recognize different accents and dialects. Customizable settings. Users can customize various settings such as speaker identification, timestamps, and punctuation options to ensure that the transcription meets their specific requirements. Editing tools. Happy Scribe has built-in editing tools that allow users to easily edit the transcribed text, making it easy to correct any errors or inaccuracies. Multi-language support. Happy Scribe supports over 120 languages, making it a valuable tool for users who need to transcribe recordings in multiple languages. Happy Scribe performs well in terms of accuracy and speed. The software is capable of accurately transcribing recordings with a high degree of accuracy, and its automated transcription feature saves users a significant amount of time compared to manual transcription. However, like all speech recognition software, Happy Scribe may struggle with recordings that are of poor quality or contain a lot of background noise. In these cases, the accuracy of the transcription may be lower than desired. Happy Scribe has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. The software's customizable settings and editing tools make it easy to tailor the transcription process to the user's specific needs. One downside of Happy Scribe is that it can be expensive for users who need to transcribe large amounts of audio or video recordings. Additionally, some users may prefer to have more control over the transcription process and may find the software's automated transcription feature too limiting. Overall, Happy Scribe is a powerful transcription tool that offers a range of features to enhance the transcription process. The software's automated transcription feature, customizable settings, and editing tools make it a valuable tool for professionals in various industries. While Happy Scribe may struggle with poor quality recordings, it performs well in most situations, and its user-friendly interface makes it easy to use even for those who are new to transcription software. That was the SaaS Reviews and Ian. See you soon. Have a great day.